What's up guys, TK here with PRX Performance, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to take a closer look at the horizontal space that we recommend when sizing up your gym. We recommend 114 inches of horizontal wall space. Obviously here in our studio we have an ideal setup, but let's take a closer look at this rack behind me on why those measurements are important. The 20 kg bar is going to hang off your rack roughly 19 inches, whereas the 15 kg bar is going to hang off your rack roughly 15 inches. Now this is important because you're going to want that leftover space when you're grabbing plates and loading your bar. Obviously in our studio space here, we have extra room behind me. Now if I was in a space that was exactly 114 inches, that wall is going to be right about at my left shoulder here. Thanks for checking out this video guys. We hope it was helpful as you begin to size up your horizontal space for your home gym. Now make sure you go up and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and as always PRX family, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep chasing those gains.